judiciary head sided flatly against leaving the judicialization of the Catalan independence issue behind. He said this could lead to impunity and lawlessness. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. The head of Spain Judiciary Council, Carlos Lesmes, is against the latest deal between the Catalan and Spanish governments, dejudicializing the ongoing political conflict. Numerous judicial cases are still open stemming from the 2017 referendum and declaration of independence. He praised the role of judges at that time, which ended in imprisonments of politicians.
Que de materializarse esa anunciada desjudicialización, lo que se acabe produciendo es una huida de la ley, o lo que es más grave aún, del principio de igualdad en la aplicación de la ley.
500,000 secondary school students were back to school today, like their younger colleagues, also earlier than ever. This measure aims to improve households' work-life balance. Barcelona Council admitted the city has had a problem with cleanliness. The companies in charge of the services have been replaced, around 400 extra workers will be hired, and trash cans are being changed to sort it out. Ryanair has added 3 routes from Barcelona for its fall and winter season, to Frankfurt, Newcastle and Bordeaux. The company will still face a cabin crew strike until January, and its CEO says the protest has so far been useless. Justin Bieber's concert in Barcelona next January is up in the air. The Canadian artist has announced he's taking a break for health reasons, but the gig in Catalonia is so far unaffected. Catalonia's 4 CaixaForum art galleries have presented their new season. Egyptian mummies, 19th century portraits, Pixar characters, comics and mirrors are some of the exhibitions in Barcelona, Lleida, Girona and Tarragona.